Lottie. So today's video is a quick video just letting you guys know what I thought of the bath bombs from the Lush haul that I did. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below and don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's jump in. Okay, so you should have seen the clips of what the bath bombs looked like when I used them. I will say I used the experimenter first and it was quite nice. It did leave a little bit of colour on my hands from when I was touching it in the water, but that's okay. It's expected when I'm touching something that's got like a dye in it. I definitely preferred my nighttime one versus the experimenter because the nighttime one I feel has like more of a purpose because it's relaxing and calming and soothing before you go to bed, whereas the experimenter was a bit more of like a mixed bag of ingredients and scents and stuff, and I enjoyed it, but I wasn't able to go to bed straight after that one versus the nighttime one. I was able to go to bed straight after it. So I won't buy the experimenter again anytime soon. I mean, for a daytime one, it's great, but for going to bed one, which is what I normally use them for, it didn't suit that purpose. I'll definitely be buying the nighttime one again. I have brought this one multiple times already, so I already knew I loved this one. So I'll definitely keep sticking with that one because I absolutely love it. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you liked this video, please make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below and don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!